Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Kyanware Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we open up the box, you'll find your instruction manual, and then we'll spin this around a little bit to try and make sure we can get it out. It's relatively light, but well packaged, so you're going to have kind of this styrofoam, so give me a second to get it out of the box. Just be aware that there will be a filter on one side of the styrofoam packaging in a little space like this. And then you'll just want to remove the wrapping. Be aware again that there will be kind of little popcorn kind of pieces, so you may need to kind of just clean that up. On the bottom here, you'll see the brush has some rubber and some brushing. You'll have some spots where there's going to be some lighting, and the concept being that it's just an anti-mite vacuum. So I believe this does open up. Yep. So you can, if you need to clean that out or anything like that, just kind of pop those edges right there, and then you'll have another ability to kind of pop this right here. And that will be where your filter goes into this area here. Easy for cleaning here. You'll just make sure that the front does go in there and then it clicks into place. We'll have kind of roller, ultrasonic, UVC, and drying as options. Pretty long plug, which is great. So we'll go ahead and plug it in and test it out. All right, so for our demonstration, we're going to make sure we remove any kind of fitted sheets as well as kind of mattress covers. And you'll just want to get under to the main part of the bed. Note that it does have some pretty good kick to it. And you're going to see that it's telling you roller, ultrasonic, UVC. All kind of kick on immediately. Just to give you a quick feedback. And what you're going to want to do is just kind of run this along your bed. So one side to the other. Just want to kind of slowly run it along the bed. And just kind of make sure you're covering all the spots here. And you'll start to see it kind of clouding up in there. And that's just the stuff that's it's heating up and collecting. And when you're pushing it down, as this kind of goes in, that's when the lighting goes on, just so you know, as a simple FYI. And I'll just show you kind of, I don't know if you can see this with the lighting or not, but it's starting to collect some junk, which is good. I mean, that's the whole idea here. So over a long period of use, do your bed, do your sofas, do whatever, you'll start to see all this this stuff collected, and then you of course just pop this out to clean it, rinse it out, and you're good to go. So I'm filming this after the review kind of finished. I just did a sofa and my the rest of my bed. I just want to kind of show you all the stuff that's in there. So kind of gross, honestly, like that's all dead skin and whatnot, but that's why it's so important to kind of use these filters. And I'm going to rinse this out just because I'm grossed out, but just wanted to share this. A lot of value here if you're looking to keep a clean bed, get rid of the dust mites and stuff like that. So hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.